That one looks well weird, doesn't it, with that little hole in it? Is it right on it? Could be. Weird. Proper weird. Oh.
One Liam.
Have a see where we've got to.
It's a rain all day tomorrow.
Tell you, we've gone a fair way.
Hey?
We've gone a fair way. That's where camp is. Right. Hopefully this trail's going to turn right. Because we're on the edge at moors now.
Okay.
You're there. There's the moors. All about us at moors. Like we say. Perfect American world setting, in it. Take him anywhere, can you?
Hey, look, there's some lights over there. See him?
Yeah.
I bet it's fucking gamekeepers there.
No, it's not.
Hey, what is it? I bet it's a fun bike up there.
Where did it go? Oh, high off ground were it?
Yeah, up there on hill. Hey?
I just saw it for a split second,
Yeah,
yeah.
just probably turn the light off. Probably turn the light off. If they think we're bloody lamping, you know.
We're not doing anything wrong, aren't we? So let's carry on.
Hey?
We're not doing anything wrong.
Did the GPS pick up camp?
Yeah, there's shitloads of UFO sightings around here as well.
Not tonight with the fucking cloud coverage. No, we're not doing anything wrong. It's the public.
That light weren't there before, were it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it? Was it? I'll check back. So, as you can see, that's from about 20 seconds ago. Just after we see the light and we're wondering what's going on. Now, I spot another light, so we turn around and look at it again, thinking it's been there all the time, when it hasn't. It's been on, gone out. We've got mixed up and looked at it again. So, I can't really tell if it's in the exact same place. But anyway, it had us scratching our heads. Yeah, it's camp. It's all on the map. It's all squiggly wiggly. You know, we've been walking around camp.
Yeah, yeah. I've got fucking predator Steve stuck in my head.
Now you're all probably thinking, oh, you're being way too noisy to see anything in here, but if you just act normal, there we go, eye shine. You see it?
What?
Eye shine. And here,
What?
eye shine.
Looking back at us. Where? Where? through there.
Through there.
Yeah.
Get your torch on it.
Yeah.
Where I'm pointing.
Ah, he's shining back.
Yeah. Is it by magic? So, as I was just saying, if you just act normal, things come and have a nosy. Sean, that must be the lake you was on about.
Oh yeah. It might be a duck pond, right?
We've brought Sean because he's the local guide. We're not really using him for bait. But then again, Spearhooker can run faster than me, but I think I can run faster than Sean.
So this is a re-edited shortened up video of an original. If you want to see the original, leave me a comment and I'll upload it for you. Anyway, be good, be kind, and may your gods protect you.